So what we got here is the latest iteration of my lightning detector setup. So here's a Mega over here. There's the interrupt wire as well as an LED for indication, the lightning sensor, my real-time clock. And here's the thermal printer which communicates on serial port 1 from the Mega. So when you power it up, it says logger ready, and it's found the sensor and the RTC. And when lightning strikes, it gives you the date, the time, the distance, and the intensity. So that was last week, as you can see. It was on the 19th. We had a bit of lightning, and it produced these results. So that's the printer setup, working with a lightning detector. Quite happy with that. So next week we should have some more storms rolling in. Then I can continue doing development work on this project. Maybe add some logging with the SD card. Got to wait for lightning to test this thing. So it's a slow project. It's a work in progress. So that's it. Quick little update on the lightning detector. Ladies and gentlemen, take care. Have an awesome day further. Hope you enjoyed this little update. Code is in a pinned comment. And I'll see you next time for more awesome stuff. Alrighty. Bye.